My name's Brittnee. I'm a real hairdresser, but today I'm going to show you the easiest technique to do balayage on yourself by yourself. This video is geared for beginners, so if you're not a beginner, this may not be for you. But if you find it useful, make sure that you like, subscribe. I'm here for you twice a week, every week, here in this bathroom. Take a deep breath. You're gonna be fine. This is not hard. You will do great. The first thing that we're going to do is part this off into 4 quads. My bangs, come on. And that's just straight down the middle and straight down the back. Now you have 2. Let's go for 4. You're just gonna part it again right by the ear. Go ahead and clip up 1 back quadrant, so you should have 1 hanging out here. This is the one we're gonna start on. Glove up, ladies, gentlemen. In the back here, on the neck, we're gonna take a straight across line. Clip this baby back, scoop out a piece that I want to color, which is this piece right here. Going to take my brush or makeup brush or whatever I've got, and I'm going to start putting the color in the middle. Not at the top, not at the bottom, I'm starting in the middle. And I'm just dropping off some color like such. Now I'm going to take some pinchers, pointer finger and my thumb, and I'm going to rub this up, up, up. This will make sure that it's staggered or feathered, if you will, so it kind of teases the hair up and distributes the color or lightener in a different pattern versus straight in your face. Then we're going to lightly kiss the ends. And be careful on the ends, especially if your hair is over processed like mine, a little bit damaged, also like mine. Lay this down. Wipe your gloves off. I'm gonna do another piece in the back. Same thing, dropping off some color, lightener, bleach, whatever. Up, 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 lightly kissing the ends. Dropping it off, wiping off my gloves. Now we continue up the head, taking about a 1/2 inch subsection, clip this back, and it's easier if you start in the back and then work your way to the front. So I'm gonna find a random piece in the back, that looks about right. Repeat the process. Drop it off, fan it up, lightly kiss the ends, wipe off my glove. You'll wanna try to work as quickly as possible, but not being like super messy about it. You just wanna have these process at almost the same time, but if for some reason the back processes super fast and you say, oh my God, this is bright blonde, we must take this out right now, you'll be able to just rinse out the back and then work on the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the head, the back 2 quads, and then I'll show you a different technique for the front. Ooh! Instead of taking horizontal lines or straight across lines like we did in the back, we're actually going to shift that from horizontal to diagonal. This will avoid that straight across harsh line, especially when it grows out, when you pull your hair up. So your sectioning should look something like this. Pick out a piece of hair that you want to highlight or low light, drop it off in the mid shaft, rough it up there, lightly on the ends, especially on my front ends, they are damaged. And we continue up the head. When you're applying the color, it's really important that the hair you're coloring, you should be able to read a newspaper through it, because you want the color to penetrate not only on the top, but you also want it on the bottom. If it's too thick of a subsection, the color can't penetrate through, and then you'll have splotchy, spotty marks on your hair. Now we mirror this on the other side. Once you're done with both sides, again, if the back is already done processing, please go shampoo that out and wait for the front to catch up. If you see some are super dry, you can kind of touch them up a little bit, stay away from the ends, just the middle. Okay, we are done. I can't really get my bangs to cooperate. Dissect into this thing that it's very subtle pieces. Oh yeah, look at that. Sexy in the back, sexy in the back. So a couple key points to remember. You want to make sure that your lightener, bleach, or color is in a thick consistency so that way it's not slippery sloping on you. And remember that we're brushing up at the root to tease it for a staggered look versus the stark zebra, hey hello, hey there line. Also taking thin sections, be able to read a newspaper through this before we apply the color and or lightener. And most importantly, just to have fun. If you screw up, that is okay. Nobody knows but you. Just act like you meant to do it. We can fix it, we can cover it up, or hell, just wear it like that. Who cares? I mean, for Christ's sakes, I got a mullet right now. But do I look concerned about my mullet? Not really. I will see you next week for something cool. Something cool.